Ayun, oh. Sarap. Hi everyone, welcome to The Spec. My name is Nico. This is where experience makes the spectacle. I'm now here in Poblacion, Makati. So meron kaming itatry out dito na food place again. It's called Super Uncle Clay Pot. And they serve clay pot rice meals. Naging uso siya on social media and on TikTok. And this is something that itatry natin because I've always wanted to try it out though. No? So it's somewhere here in Poblacion. I'll just post the exact address sa description. Yeah, so samahan nyo ako dito sa spectacle nito and I'll show you how it looks like inside and share with you our experience with food and the staff as well. Tara!
Iwasan na natin hawakan yung clay pot at napakainit.
We're gonna try out their ano to, this is the spare ribs clay pot nila. So nagpa-add lang kami ng sausage. So nakita ko dun sa video on I think sa Reels ng Instagram or Facebook ba. Parang ito yung parang recommendation na talaga. Na nag-add lang kami ng dim sum na shark fin. So, taste test na natin. I think yung mix ng sweet ng sausage or ng Chinese sausage with the spare ribs na savory will add some sort of kick dito. Ang wish ko ay meron siyang tutong. Alam mo ba yung tutong? Alam mo yung tutong? Yung ano yung sunog na part ng ano rice ito oh.
Okay.
That's tutong. Ano ba yung sa ano Iloilo?
Dukot.
Ha?
Dukot.
Dukot. Uy, pareho tayo. Dukot. Sa Cebu, ano to, Bisaya. Dukot. Ito taste test.
Yeah.
So, I'll just show some footage nitong clay pot. Guys. There. Mainit siya. So, sabi nung attendant ni ate, itong sausage na, ito yung gusto ko talaga kainin. I thought meron siya isang buong sort of pre-made na parang clay pot meal. Hindi pala. So, pwede ka mag-add ng ganito. So, lahat ng meals, pwedeng lagyan ng Chinese sausage na ito. Yeah. Alam. Talaga? So, masarap daw yung shark's fin dim sum. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 10 the highest. 10 the highest. 10? Wow, talaga? Hala, na-curious tuloy ako. Anyway, ay, i-taste mo rin to. Mag-rate ka rin. So, eto first muna natin gagawin ay we're gonna mix yung spare ribs with rice and then Chinese sausage. Mmm. Good. Masarap ng pagka-savory ng rice kasi nag-pour ng sauce. I don't know kung soy sauce ba yung nilagay nila. I think it's probably a special sauce. I think that added more savory and more taste dun sa rice. Nanuot talaga siya. And then, what I like about this is masarap yung, sige, isa-isahin natin yung nandito. So you have yung spare ribs, yung pork mismo. It's soft, it's savory at the same time. But ito yung gusto ko. It's a different kind of Chinese na sausage. I think I tasted this in Macau or in Hong Kong before. I know. Masarap. And ang interesting dito is dahil nga clay pot siya, hindi siya kamarami pero may tutong. Yung sunog na rice, burnt rice. Ano kung English ng burnt rice? I forgot. Mayroon burnt rice, that's sa English. Pero mayroong term eh. Pinasosyal na term. Hanapin ko, Google natin. But ito yung tutong. Ayan. It adds to the texture and a bit of taste dun sa lasa ng buong meal mo. So you have your pork and then you have your sausage. I don't know. Ang sarap ng crunch ng tutong o ng burnt rice. I think yun yung pinaka-signature o nagpapasarap na sa meal na to. And for some reason, whenever you cook rice, it's different daw pag nasa clay pot as opposed to like fried rice lang siya. Kasi ito, pot na nag-iiba yung lasa na. The same goes pag tunay nag-coffee ka. Nag-iiba din yung lasa ng coffee pag nasa ceramic material or clay pot. So I think that does the job. Sarap. Ako, I would rate this out of 10. I think I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Sarap. Ikaw?
I don't know if uncultured lang ako, pero I prefer this over yung clay pot rice na natry.
Pero dito, like taste lang dito. 8 daw sa kanya. Okay. I like it. Babalikan ko to. Tapos they have chili, ano ka ba?
Chili garlic.
Chili garlic. So may chili garlic sila dito. Buti na lang isa lang kinuha natin, no? Masyado marami pag, ano. Pero sa Hong Kong, masarap din. Hindi. Mas bet mo to? Kasi panlasa ng Pinoy niya.
Kaya baka uncultured lang ako.
Pero okay, no? It's nice. Like for the price, it's like 300 plus. And then ito, 230 lang. Ngayon sabi niya, ito din yung gusto niya. 10 daw to. Naku! Tignan natin. Malalaman kung pareho tayo ng panlasa. So this is the dim sum shark's fin. Shark's fin dim sum. Yan. Ang masarap dito pag nilagyan mo siya ng chili garlic na may toyo. Yan. Sarap. Mmm. I think I'm gonna give it a 8.5. Not really a perfect 10. Baka kasi mahilig ka sa dim sum.
Sakto.
Sarap to, no? Siksik. Yeah, sarap. Then rice ka. Sumukok.
Sinabihan ako kanina na iwasan ko na yung sugar.
Next week pa naman eh. Oh, this is nice. I love it. Sarap, 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 sarap.
They have ice rin naman pala.
Ha?
Meron naman silang ice. You should have ordered those.
Oo nga. Na-enjoy ko to. Sarap, sarap, sarap. Ikaw kaya mo isang buong pot, hindi? Aga?
I think kaya pala.
Kaya, kaya konti lang siya, oh. Sakto lang. Good for one. Doon pa? Doon ka? Kaya ko yung buong, clay pot. The tutong is the best part. Ayun, no? Ayun. Papakita natin yung tutong. Ha? No? Hindi siya hype. Is it a hype? Hindi. Hindi daw siya hype. Yes, hindi siya hype. Ayun yung tutong. Oh. Yay! Babalikan.
Sobrang katid ko.
Saan mo ba nilagay?
Sa shin.
Manghang na masarap. Buti meron pa. Matagal na natin binili yan ah.
Yeah. Minsan ko lang ginagamit.
So sinisimot ko lang yung rice sa pot. And then tinitira ko ngayon yung tutong just to show everyone. Kasi yun yung best part. Ayun, dumidikit siya. Ayun, oh. The crunch is the best part. Ayun oh. Ang laking part. I think yun yung pinaka-selling point nitong clay pot na to. It's the tutong o yung burnt rice sa ilalim. I'm trying to recall yung exact parang culinary term ng tutong eh. Meron mga chef nag-create ng term ng name ng tutong or ng burnt rice. Ito na siya. This is how it looks like. Ito yung tutong. Diyos ko, parang it's romanticized version ng sunog na kanin sa ilalim. Pero ang masarap dito kasi nanunuot na yung sauce niya. Plus yung lasa ng spare ribs. No? Yun. So, lasa ng totoo, hindi siya, like it's burnt, pero yung sauce, nanuot na siya. Plus yung lasa ng spare ribs. Plus for some reason na nahalo din yung lasa nung Chinese sausage. Sarap. It's the crunch. It's the best part nitong clay pot. Sagyan natin ng chili garlic na sauce. Ayun oh. Narinig ba? Narinig mo? Yung crunch, narinig mo yung crunch? Hindi. Sarap. Hala, masarap yung tutong niya. Hindi siya like overrated. Gusto tikman?
So, mali yung nalagay kong name.
Oh no. Ayaw mo talaga? Wow. Love. This is so nice. Good experience. So, unti lang in-order namin. Just to test it out. So, medyo busog pa rin kami. So, if I were to... Ayun, kasama ka sa rating. Overall experience. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, like lahat-lahat. Overall, parang ambience, staff, then food, and everything. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. What's your rating? Wait lang.
Dahil maganda yung service ni ate. 10.
Ay, wow. Siya talaga nagdala, no? Actually, oo. I think number 1 yung staff. Kasi, I asked kung pwede mag-take ng video doon. Nagtanong na siya doon sa cook nila doon, sa loob. Pumayag naman. Sobrang walang pagdadalawang isip. But normally, pag in restaurants, mapapaalam pa yan sa manager and all that. Diba?
Because it's right. I should support them.
Yeah. Trans woman kasi si ate. Pero, for me, parang girl. You're giving. Sobrang above and beyond si ate. Nilipat pa kami dito. Siya nag-initiate na ilipat tayo dito.
Sabi niya baka gusto ba natin?
Yes, may mga ganong pagiging proactive. Kasi dun sa kabila, malapit kami sa entrance. Nilipat kami dito sa kabila na may couch, di ba? So, kasi siguro nakita niya nag-video ako para masabi. Diyos ko. Anyway, so considering the ambiance, I super like yung feels at saka yung music also. Plus yung interiors, like maliwanag enough. And then, plus the staff and then yung food. I'll give it a 10 also. Yeah.
Kumusta naman po yung pagkain?
Masarap.
Salamat.
Kasama ka talaga sa video. Pwede ba? Okay lang. What's your name?
My name is Ate Red.
Yes! Ay,
Pero hindi
woo!
Ate Red lang. Hello, Sir Ma'am. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng video ni Sir, please visit po sa Per Uncle Claypat at here, 5887 Enriquez Street, Makati. Yes, dito lang kami sa may poblasyon in the heart of Makati.
Wow, si Ate Reg. Thank you so much. Super bait. O, diba? Kita nyo. So there, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and do subscribe, share this video as well. And I think I highly recommend this for mga date night, siguro pag gabi, and then pag lunch date, ganyan. And then if you want to bring your friends over, it's a good feel. Gusto mo na may photo booths sila dun sa may likod. So there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!